Welcome to Makaha Valley Towers, unit number 1032. This unit is located on the 10th floor. Studio unit, approximately 515 square feet. This unit comes with 24-hour security and a designated parking area for residents. Water and electricity included with the monthly maintenance fees. Enjoy paradise in this quiet unit located in Makaha. Lovely panoramic ocean and mountain views make this an ideal retreat. Unit 1032 is listed for $159,900. It is one of the lowest fee simple units in Makaha Valley Towers. Here is the kitchen area. Amenities consist of barbecue area and swimming pool. Other features include community laundry, trash chute, This includes our video tour. Mahalo for watching. To hear more about this property, please schedule an appointment with your favorite realtor.